Okay, so I'm now going to explain to you how to use MyFitnessPal. So if you're using an Android, the better phone, obviously, you need to go into your Google Store, like so, and also like if you're using that other phone, not Apple, into your Apple Store. So click here and type in My Fitness Pal. So click on that there and download it or whatever and click open. So don't need to worry about that there. You can start your 30-day free trial if you would like, but for me, I wouldn't worry about that today. Okay, so this brings you to the home screen. And the first thing we're going to do is to click on the top left hand side, the three little bars, and that brings you to this menu. So you click on diary, and this shows you your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, etc. So what we are going to do now is click on the top right hand three little dots and click on diary settings. And what we want to go to here is to edit goals at the bottom. Then we go to, don't need to worry about putting in your start weight, current weight, goal weight. That's fine. We're gonna do that separately. You don't need to worry about that. What we're going down to is nutritional goals, and we click on the first one there, your calorie, carbs, protein, fat goals. So go back there, I'll put it there, so it's highlighted, click on that. And then what we're going to do is plug in the calories that we calculated from the TDEE calculator. So again, for me, it was 2,900 calories. And then this allows you to change the percentages for carbs and fats. So again, what I would do is drop it to 20% for your protein. And then again, because I like carbs more, I would rather have 50% carbs and 30% fat. And then what we do is that's all grand. You got your numbers there, and you click on the tick on the top right hand side. Okay. And then we click in the arrow back. Everything's all set there in the top left. Go back out of that again, top left again, and top left again. So this brings you back to the menu for your breakfast, lunch, dinner. This is for adding your food. So again, first of all, your breakfast. So click on add food for breakfast, and say you had a bowl of Cocoa Pops. You type in Cocoa Pops at the top and hit your search button at the bottom, and it brings up a list of items. Now, this is where the fun begins on MyFitnessPal. It says there at the top, Kellogg's 30 grams, which is just a typical serving, but nobody ever has 30 grams. It's a very, very small portion, so I would tend to weigh my food better or more. And then sometimes people would just put the second one as one bowl, and again, it's very inaccurate, so you're better weighing it. So click on the first option there with the 30 grams, and it brings up this option. Now, I say that's number of servings at the top is 1, and your serving size is 30. What I would do is put the bowl on scales. Make sure you always click to zero it. Change your serving size to 1 gram, and then whatever many grams you weigh out on the scale, you type in here. So say for instance I weighed out 50 grams of 50 grams of Cocoa Pops. So you put in 50 grams there, times the 1 gram is 50 grams. And then that brings up your what it is there. So it's 193 calories for 50 grams of Cocoa Pops. So that's fine. Don't need to worry about all that stuff there. And you go to the top, to the tick, right hand side, and click on that. So that brings up your Cocoa Pops in the breakfast section. And then say you have a thing of semi-skim milk with it. Again, what we can do is instead of typing it in here at the top, instead of typing in semi-skimmed, it'll bring it up there anyway. To save any bother, we can click on the little barcode scanner to the right of that, which brings up this here, and you just get the bottle of milk, the barcode, and it'll scan it like so. And again, weigh out the serving size, because again, it's very, very hard to judge what it is. So say it's 200 mils, you can put your serving size as 2 of 100, like that. Or if you want to make it easier, just change your serving size to 1 mil, and then 1 mil, like that, and then change your serving size to 200 mil, like so. So then that brings up your 96 calories, all done again, and then you just tick the thing at the top. So again, that brings up your calories. And if you look at the top there, calories remaining, so you've got your goal is 2,900 minus your food, so you will still have 2,611 calories to eat. Now I'm just going to add in something massive here, just to show you the difference in the calories. So roast beef, just go for the second one here, and I'm just going to whack in something ridiculous, 10, no, we'll go 15 grams. So you see at the top there, now it shows your goal is 2,900 calories, and you've eaten 3,364 calories. So that means you've eaten 400 grams over your target. This then means that what you can do over the next 2 or 3 days is eat less calories to make up for that, for going over. So it's kind of like having a bank balance again of 2,900 pounds. That's your budget for the day. If you overspend, you're in debt of £464. So over the next 3 days, you can save £200 to bring that back up, or vice versa. Or what you can do is you can save £200 every day of the week, Monday to Friday. That means then you have an extra 1,000 calories to spend over the weekend. So I don't think, you cannot. So actually, yes, at the top there, so if you click on the pie chart there on the right hand side, you can see the amount of protein, carbs and fat that you eat in a day. And again, as I say, don't worry about the carbs and the fats. As long as you're hitting that protein goal of 145 grams, that's the most important macro out of the 3. Okay.